Hello, friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do a plan with me, and this one will be for April 6th through 12. And hopefully, I'm trying so hard to get this up before the week starts. So it is Sunday night, right now on the 5th, and I hopefully will have this up by the 6th tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So that's the kit I'm going to be using, and since this is a week of Easter, I wanted like a cute little Easter theme. But for some reason, I am so pasteled out; it's unbelievable. Everything is cute and Eastery and pastel, and this is not, and I love it. I think it is absolutely the most perfect color scheme for me right now. I'm feeling this so much. I love it. And this is from a company on Etsy called I Love to Print. It is a printable kit. There were can't remember if it was 2 or 3 pages. I believe it was 2 pages. And it's got the full boxes and the half boxes and the trackers, and then it's got the little pieces here, the little ephemera pieces, and the quarter boxes, and the check boxes. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. So there's tons and tons and tons of pieces in here for you to use. And I love this little girl with the bunny ears on. I think she's so cute. She was like perfect right there. So I'm going to fill out this column right here, and it's going to have just a few little things in it. And I don't know what I'm going to put there because I really don't have anything to plan. Funny enough, usually I've got stuff to do, and I have design team stuff that I'm going to plan, so that'll definitely go in here. I've got TV show stuff to plan, but my family is home. I'm not. I'm still working. If you don't know, if you're new here and you don't know anything about me, welcome. And I am a respiratory therapist. I work at a large hospital in Washington in the intensive care unit. And yeah, so I'm not home, but my husband's home. He's a full time nursing student, and they are right now on, I guess they started spring break early, and then they're going to go to online classes. I have no idea what's going to happen after that, and neither does he. So he's here. My son in law and my daughter live here, and both of them are home as well. So we're just kind of all hanging out at home. And so I don't have a ton of stuff to plan, but I'm still going to do it because I love this kit. And even if I put like only a couple things on this page, I don't care because I think it's super cute and it makes me happy. So I'm going to do it. So, anyway, I'm going to talk a little bit about what's going on here. I would love to know what's going on with you guys. What are you doing? Are you spending this time crafting, planning, doing your house, spring cleaning? I don't know. I am trying to do some spring cleaning, but I woke up this morning and it was snow everywhere. So, yard work was completely out of the question. What I did do was today is Sunday, so I did my grocery shopping today, and I'm actually kind of disappointed. Now, you guys know that I work in the intensive care unit, so I'm seeing a lot of sick people, and it's not just the COVID. This is kind of a particularly nasty flu season, too. So we have a lot of unfortunately sick people with the flu and double pneumonia and all that good stuff as well. So, not just the COVID's going around. I went to Walmart and there was a ton of people there, surprisingly. I didn't expect there to be that many people. And I do know that they're counting at the door. They're only letting a certain number of people in, but it just seemed like it was very, very full because I guess it's the only thing open. So it's like, well, let's just go to Walmart. Okay, guys, I get it. I was there too. I had some stuff to pick up. I was grocery shopping, but where were the masks? Why is nobody wearing a mask? Oh my gosh, just very disappointed. I was very disappointed because all I can see is, oh my, you're going to be my patient. And then what? You know what I mean? So just, I don't know. Everybody's making the masks. I know that. I saw so many tutorials on YouTube of people showing you how to make the masks. And speaking of that, if there's any of you out there that are making them, please get a hold of me because I need to order some. I would love to get some of those homemade ones with the different patterns on them that you can put the, what do you call it, the different filters in them for my family and some for me. So we are now, funnily enough, just now allowed to wear our own masks at work. See, they want you to be masked up all the time, not just when you're taking care of patients, but when you're walking around the hospital as well. So they have decided that um, they just can't put masks on that many employees all day long. They just can't. So they're allowing you to wear your own. Well, I don't sew. My daughter doesn't sew. My husband doesn't sew, and that's it. So we don't have any, and I would really like some. I would like to order some from somebody. If you guys are making them and you've got some extras that you don't mind, just get a hold of me. My email is listed below the video, and just let me know, what you have. Maybe send me some. I don't know how it works, like if you need to, if they need to be sized, or what, how it works, because like I said, I haven't used one and I don't know anything about them, but um, I think I need them because I'm not sure if we run out of the regular masks, the little surgical ones at the hospital. I don't know what on earth I'm going to do because I'm there more than I'm home. And I also would really like my family to have masks for whenever they have to go grocery shopping or head out to wherever they have to go. So I would like them to have them as well. So anyway, back to my spread. Isn't this just the cutest thing? I think these little bunnies are so adorable, and that little girl is so cute. And the colors are just perfect for me. I am very much pasteled out. So, like I said, this is like the perfect color scheme for me. My side note, I did print this out on some sticker paper that I picked up at Walmart. It's in the office supply section, and these are the sticker sheets that you use for labeling your boxes. So it comes with two halves on each page, which I did end up ordering a big stack of them from Amazon that are the full page because Walmart didn't have them. But for this particular spread, that's all I had. And so I tried to line it up as best I could to where that cut in the middle wouldn't cut into any of my boxes, but it did cut some of them. As you can see, my little bunny right there next to where I'm working, it kind of cut off the very bottom of that box, but it's okay. I don't mind. It's still cute. And the other thing is that my blades for my silhouette hadn't come in yet when I printed this. So I have the wrong sticker paper and I had to fussy cut most of it out. Some of it, my scan and cut was able to, like the boxes, my scan and cut was okay with cutting around the boxes, but it did not like any of these little bunnies or any of those little pieces. So I had to fussy cut all that out, but I didn't mind because I think this kit is adorable, and I don't mind fussy cutting. You guys see my other videos, and I fussy cut all the time, so it's not a big deal. But I am very excited now that my blades came in, my paper came in. So, and it was weird because Amazon said not until the 22nd of April, and it showed up early. So, super excited about that. So I got some washi here. This is just some gold accents. I thought that went the best with this color scheme with the gold. And then the other washi is just some washi from my stash that I thought kind of matched. It was a little hard to match these colors because I don't use them very often, which is probably why I was like so drawn to it because I don't see it that often. But I really like it. So now I'm just decorating. Like, I don't have a ton of stuff to put in here. So I don't mind filling up a lot of space with decorations and stuff because there isn't really a lot to write in my planner at the moment. Other than like design team stuff, it's definitely going to go in here. On Monday at the bottom, you can see that little date night. That's when my husband and I watch Westworld because we we can't watch it on Sunday because usually I work on Sundays. So we just picked Mondays as the days when we watch it. So that's what's happening on Monday night. We're going to make little pizzas, and I made cupcakes and cookies, and that's going to be our date night. Then what else is going on? I go back to work, unfortunately. So that whole second page, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, those are all work days. So that's why on Wednesday I've got me time and my little laundry thing because that's when that's going to happen. What else do I have going on? Sundays are shopping days, so that little shopping thing is going to go over there because that's what that is. And then that's also the day that we gas up the car. So I have the little gold car there. And then I'm just going to put some cute little bunnies everywhere. Bunnies everywhere. Usually, the other thing that I didn't do on this week, but I'm going to be doing it, I'm going to add it to every single week because I just feel like my little gratitude part is missing. I used to have a spot for it, and I'm thinking I might want to put it down at the bottom where the washi is. I'm not sure. Or maybe in the side column, but definitely. So I usually have a place where I put patience, which is my one little word, and then I pick a quote. I like going on Pinterest and looking up little fun little quotes that go with my one little word, and I write them in there. And then I'd also like a place for like a little gratitude section, because I think now more than ever we should be grateful for like a lot of things, mostly just waking up every day. That's what I'm thankful for. And so I would like to put a little gratitude spot on here. So I got to find a place to put that when I'm doing my spreads. What else is going on? So, hospitals get pretty full. We have a special pathogens unit, which is a part of the intensive care unit. So, because I work in the intensive care unit, I get moved down to the special pathogens when they need me to. So, I'm in both areas. Yeah, so I get to see the whole thing from beginning to end. Yay! And like I said, it's kind of busy time of year anyway. So that on top of it, it will be every time I go to work, the number of cases have doubled. So I'm kind of dreading going back to work on Thursday, because I don't even want to begin to think where we're going to be at on Thursday. So that's my depressing my depressing little spiel for you. Is I'm not looking forward to Thursday, so my me time on Wednesday is going to be really important. I wanted to show you this real quick before we move on. This was the spread from my Cocoa Daisy kit, because I did the unboxing for Cocoa Daisy, and I wanted to show you what I used in my Erin Condren from the Cocoa Daisy. I also have my A5 planner. So in the A5 planner is where most of that kit went, but I did want to do a week with the Cocoa Daisy. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really, really do appreciate it. Hope you guys stay inside. Wear a mask if you go outside. And I will talk to you again real soon. Yeah, with actually more. I think I got the next thing coming up is La La Land. So keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, I'll try to come up with a few other things and more of these plan with me's. Have a great day. Bye bye.